Hello, everyone. So, I hope we all have been enjoying what exactly is listening, speaking, and rather all the aspects of language when it comes to public. So, we all want to be speakers. We all adore speakers. We all have been practicing a lot before we walk into any stage. But today, my guest, I don't think so. She needs much of prep. She rather carries a very strong weapon, which is called smile, and she can kill n number of audience with that smile. I feel, and I know I am correct when I say I feel. So there's no doubt in that. But let us explore. Let us try and question her because I don't know how many people would have questioned her like this. Today, when I have gotten that opportunity to question Pinky, let me not miss even a single minute and bong her up with a lot of questions that are delving in my heart and which would no doubt suffice my curiosity, but in return also give a lot of answers to a lot of people who cannot reach her. My stars were bright enough that I was introduced to Pinky Peruse by one of my friend, and she agreed to go live with me. What else can I get this year? So, a biggest gift of this year is going live with the guest today, Miss Pinky Peruse, and over to you, Pinky. I would like you to introduce yourself to the entire audience who are listening to us, who are with us today.
First of all, thank you. Thank you, Pratishtha, for that wonderful, heartfelt introduction. Yes, you guessed it right. I love to smile and I love to see smiling faces. Coming to a bit about me, if I have to say it in two, three lines, I am a communication skills catalyst, a professional speaker, public speaking coach, and founder at AST Stage. I have been fortunate enough to stand on platforms such as few TEDx events, Josh Talks. I have conducted sessions and presented keynotes at various corporates, colleges, universities, schools, conferences, and NGOs. And if you ask me, Pinky, what is your love? My love is stage, being on stage. So thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for the invite. And I'm already loving it here.
Thank you so much, Pinky. Okay, one thing that I want to ask you first is, were you ever afraid of that area where we stand with the mic and we have a lot of people in front of us looking at us, love to listen, or they have those staring eyes? So, did you ever, were you ever afraid of standing on that stage?
Mm, Wonderful question. I was never afraid of standing on stage.
Mhm.
Never ever. But then what was I afraid of? वो सुना होगा आपने, अरे लोग क्या कहेंगे?
True.
That is what I was afraid of. Okay, what if I make a mistake? Am I looking good? कुछ भूल गई मैं तो? क्या होगा? What if I freeze? What if I don't know what to say next? All these questions troubled me. But then, Pratishtha, I realized one thing, that we are always being judged. There is no escape. Even when we are talking to each other now, we are being judged. And then I realized, if we are always being judged, then why to worry about it?
True.
So I stopped thinking of that. And now my mentality is very simple. Pratishtha, when we talk to our friends, you were talking about your friend who introduced us to each other, right? When you
True.
talk to her, or when I talk to her, are we hesitant? Do we
No.
think, क्या बोलूं, कैसे बोलूं, अरे मैं ठीक लग रही हूँ कि नहीं लग रही हूँ, अरे उससे बोलते समय मैं कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोल गई तो? Do you ever think like that?
No.
You are so comfortable. I am so comfortable. So that is the mindset I develop, that everywhere I go, whenever I am on stage or whenever I am on screen, everyone watching and listening to me is my friend. अब ये ऐसा बैठ चुका है मेरे दिमाग में that I don't even need to remind myself of it.
So you have lived it, probably I can say that the entire world is my friend. And जो भी सामने बैठा है वो भी एक इंसान है, और इंसान की तो फितरत होती है गलती करना. So it's okay, they might have also made a mistake, so what if I make? I think this must be the mindset, and I feel this should be the mindset of every person who wants to be on the stage, who wants to talk. Not even a public speaker, but a speaker. For that reason, on the first step, one should feel that जो भी मेरे सामने है वो मेरे दोस्त हैं, and they would obviously love whatever I speak. So in a nutshell, I think, am I correct when I say this?
Absolutely, and you were talking about mistakes. मुझे ये it's not that I have not made mistakes. I even now make mistakes, but every time I'm safe back home. मतलब आप जिंदा वापस घर आने वाले हो.
Correct.
So
Wow,
go
this
grab
is
the
wonderful.
opportunity.
ट्रू ट्रू ट्रू. हाँ, तुम्हें कोई गोली से थोड़ी उड़ा देगा भाई. हाँ, ये भी बात सही है. Wonderful, Pinky. So, Pinky, I know you come from a vibrant city, and is that what brings in the vibrancy in you? So is the city vibe that you carry? I mean, you are always chirpy, bubbly. You always carry that smile, the energy. So where do you get that from? What is the secret of your energy? Is it boost?
I so wish it was. So what is the secret of my energy? I believe it's my love for myself. It's believe I believe it's my self confidence. Okay, I'll share something. We have met each other, right?
True,
And you have
true,
seen me that I stand just 4 feet 6 inches tall.
true.
अभी टॉल बोलूं कि शॉर्ट बोलूं क्या बोलूं बट मुझे अच्छा लगता है टॉल बोलना.
Tall.
So and that's how you say it. जो भी height हो, we use the word tall.
True.
So yeah, I am 4 feet 6 inches tall. तो शुरुआत में it was like, will anybody take me seriously? ये कौन बच्ची आ गई है स्टेज पे, ये क्या हम लोग को बोलेगी. But then it is because of my family, my parents, my siblings, their confidence in me. They give me, like, they never ask me question. Oh, this is what I want to do. You want to do this? What is it that you need from us? Go ahead. मतलब मुझे कभी कुछ सोचना नहीं पड़ा. मुझे ये करना है. Go ahead and do. And I believe that is what made me realize that okay, I am also capable of doing things. I was someone, if and like even if any guest came to our house. Now this is years back. Even if any guest came to our house, I would lock myself in my room.
Oh,
And now I'm speaking in front of thousands, and I'm comfortable with it. I'm
and
fine with
I
it.
would, sorry, I would like to quote up here that when I got that opportunity to listen to you, I was sitting way back, probably in the last row, because they were, see, every speaker is good, but somewhere your choice comes into existence. So I did not much enjoy those 2 3 speeches. So I thought, okay, let me go back and sit and doze off. So the moment you were on the stage, I was uptight, and then you captured the whole stage and the whole audience also. So it was like, मुझे आपको सुनना ही पड़ेगा. You cannot doze off, you cannot blink an eye. So सुनो, मैं जो बोल रही हूँ cannot miss. So this was your attitude, and it completely took me up, and it was double take. I was like, wow. And that was the time I decided, nahi, if I get a chance to interview her, I would consider myself as really very lucky. So this is the like, let me tell the audience, we all are human beings, and we all have something that is less and something that is more. But we as human beings, we have a habit of always looking at, अरे मेरी नाक कैसी है, अरे मेरी आंख कैसी है, मेरी आवाज अच्छी नहीं है. We ourselves keep on telling us. So obviously जब दुकानदार खुद ही अपने माल की इस तरह से पेशकी करेगा, तो कौन उसको खरीदेगा? दैट इज, आई थिंक वी ऑल मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड एंड वी ऑल मस्ट टेक इट फ्रॉम यू दैट विथ 4.6 इफ यू आर टॉल, वी आर टॉलेस्ट. मुझे भी ये बहुत दिक्कत थी इन इन फ्रेंड्स, बट व्हेन आई सी यू नाउ तो मुझे लगता है नहीं यार, आई एम ओके एंड आई हैव नो रीजंस टू गिव फॉर बीइंग लो इन कॉन्फिडेंस. So now comes, were there any such instances wherein people did question your physical appearance? Because it is very important these days to be physically present, not physically present but presentable. People people think that if I'm dark skinned, if I have less hair, if I'm fat, I am not presentable. But I think they are some natural things that have come to us. So fighting with them, how important is your presentable, you to be presentable on this stage?
I would say find your comfort, because if you are comfortable, you are presentable. Of course, you have to maintain your hygiene, because हम कहते हैं ना, अरे कपड़े, for if you if for example, if I talk about my comfort, my presentable, I love to wear blazers. I've got 6 7 blazers, a collection of it. And I feel good. I feel good in it. I feel comfortable in it. And that is what reflects.
True.
So you have to find your comfort. You may be comfortable in kurti, stylish kurtis. Go for it. You may be comfortable in sari. Go for it. We all, as we have been on stage, we have been as an audience also, and we know that अगर स्टेज पे कोई अनकंफर्टेबल हो, फॉरगेट अबाउट स्टेज, जब कोई दो लोग बातें कर रहे हैं या ग्रुप में हम बातें कर रहे हैं, हम अनकंफर्टेबल हो, सामने वाले को पकड़ में आ ही जाता है. वी आर गुड बॉडी लैंग्वेज रीडर्स, नेचुरल है ये. So you
True.
have to find your own comfort. For example, initially it was very difficult for me. And more than that, once I started speaking professionally, sometimes I initially started with the Toastmasters Club. I'm still part of Toastmasters International. I'm part of Charismatic Speakers Toastmasters Club. And there usually you give speeches for 5 to 7 minutes, and you gain that confidence, you learn the nuances, how to do, what to do, how to engage, all that you learn. But in the outside world, that 5 to 7 minutes changes to 45 minutes, changes to an hour, changes to 2 hours.
True.
Now coming to me, my memory, मतलब मुझे बहुत धोखा देती है. एक बार आई टेल यू, एक बार मैं अपने घर के सामने वाली गली में भी गुम हो गई थी कि मेरा घर कहाँ है. That's how I am. It is so difficult for me to remember names.
Right.
बहुत डिफिकल्ट है मेरे लिए. तो मैं 45 मिनट्स 2 घंटा कैसे बोलूं? देयर ऑल्सो आई फाउंड अ वे. सो एज आई सेड, आई लव वेयरिंग ब्लेजर्स. इसका दो रीजन है. एक तो आई लुक गुड, दैट्स हाउ आई सी इट.
Absolutely.
सेकेंडली, पॉकेट्स होते हैं.
Correct.
तो एक पॉकेट में तो माइक होता है, जो वो कॉलम माइक का जो
Correct.
बैटरी होता है वो
Correct.
होता है.
Correct.
दूसरे पॉकेट में देयर इज अ चिट. नाउ गॉड्स ग्रेस, इवन इफ आई हैव टू यूज इट, आई डोंट माइंड. आज तक मैंने वो चिट यूज नहीं किया, बट दैट चिट इज माय चीट कोड. उस चिट में एक फ्लो रहता है. ऑब्वियसली आई हैव डिजाइन द टॉक एंड ऑल, सो आई नो. बट कभी कभी हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि किसके बाद क्या है. अभी तो अच्छा है, पीपीटीज हो गई है, सो यू गेट द हिंट. बट अर्लियर आई एम लाइक टेक सेवी, तो बहुत दूर की बात है. मैं पीपीटीज नहीं बना पाती थी. मैं ऐसे ही बोलती थी, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था पीपीटीज कैसे बनाऊं. So then I used to make a chit which has just the flow. What
Hmm.
will come when? And I used to keep it in my pocket. Now that gave me comfort कि अगर हम कुछ मैं भूल गई, कुछ भी हुआ, I can just refer to it and be back.
Wow. So
So
that is
that
another tip.
यस, सो दैट इज माय कंफर्ट। अभी भी रहता ही है, पॉकेट में पड़ा है, बस पड़ा रहने दो। लगा तो यूज करूंगी तो भी नो इशू, नहीं लगा तो अच्छा।
Correct.
But I, as I said, I found my comfort, ways to make me feel comfortable. You have to find ways to make you feel comfortable. Now, coming back to the you were asking about cities. So yes, I have been born and brought up in Kolkata. Then I have worked in Dubai for 11 years. Then for the past 10 years, I am in Vadodara, Gujarat. So yes, हो सकता है सबका मिश्रण has what given me this energy.
Right. And I feel very good when we see people from India. You know, India is, I mean, it is in my heart. Even if somebody asks me, I would always say that no, my love, my country would always be India. So the vibrancy that India gives you, be in Kolkata, you enjoy Durga Puja, being in Vadodara, you enjoy the Navratri. कंपेयर ही नहीं कर सकते, दोनों का कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है. नो डाउट इट फॉल्स इन द सेम टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द ईयर, बट देर इज नो
Exactly.
कंपैरिजन. एंड दोनों ही फेमस है उसी चीज के लिए. एंड आई फील दैट शक्ति हैज बीन इन टू यू, wherein you stand so tall. Wherever you are, you stand so tall. So I think that somewhere the shakti is there in you. नारी ऐसे भी शक्ति का ही प्रतीक है, मुझे लगता है.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving to the next question. Supposedly, I am a newbie, I am a teenager. I feel I should stand on the stage, and I am, say, zero in my confidence. But मुझे कभी ना कभी तो face करना है ना. So what would be those few first steps that I should take, apart from telling myself that it's okay to make mistakes, apart from taking a chit, carrying it with me for the flow? Is there anything else that I, as a newbie, should do? Because it's not only standing on the stage, it is facing the interviews, it is going and talking to a stranger, it is going and talking to your subordinate, your boss. So kahin pe bhi you have to speak. So what is it that, not the mool mantra, but few things that one should consider when he feels low in confidence? Like there was time when even I was very low in confidence. Slowly, पता नहीं कब मैं comfortable हो गई. I don't know what did I do. But now I want my audience to know, because this is a new generation, Pinky. To be very frank, हम लोग जिस generation से हैं, that was a different generation. हमें we were okay with making a mistake and सीधा हाथ सामने करना and मार खाना, घर वापस आना. We were okay. ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगता था. वी हैड नेवर थॉट ऑफ समथिंग कॉल्ड एज कॉर्पोरल पनिशमेंट एंड ऑल. ये तो सोच के भी बाहर का था मेरे. तो बहुत मार खाया है, बहुत मार खाते देखा है. ऐसा कुछ कभी लगा ही नहीं कि ये क्राइम वगैरह हो सकता है. बट टुडेज जनरेशन, दे आर अ वेरी, व्हाट डू यू कॉल, अ वेरी कवर्ड जनरेशन. तो इन लोगों को तो खुद के ही कोकून से बाहर आने में बहुत जद्दोजहद करनी पड़ती है. हमारा तो कुछ था ही नहीं ना. हमने तो सीखा ही, मतलब ठीक है जो है वो है. सो सच इधर, झूठ इधर, खत्म, घर आओ, भूल जाओ, फिनिश. So it was very easy for us to handle those things mentally. But these people, you say a word and they go into shell, they go into depression. Wow, what was depression in our childhood? I don't know. We only learned. I don't know when did I learn the word, but probably in my teens I came to know there is something called as depression, and you feel bad about it. In Marathi, I know कसं होता है was one statement. कसं होता है, finish, okay, forget it and chalo, get back to your work was the only thing that parents used to say. Abhi parents are so much involved into it. I see parents coming up to me and asking me to train their 5-year-old child for public speaking, and I'm like, अभी उसको बोलने तो दो. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग तो बहुत आगे की बात है, अभी तो वो बोलना सीखा है. सो सच थिंग्स ऑल्सो हैपन. सो इस जनरेशन को आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे कि अगर मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं स्टेज पे खड़ी रहूं, या मुझे इट्स अ मैंडेट, सो व्हाट शुड आई डू?
To understand the why, कि ये करना चाहिए तो क्यों करना चाहिए. क्या होता है ना आजकल हम लोग के टाइम पे इतना कंपटीशन, कितना ओल्ड फील हो रहा है ना बोलते हुए हम लोग के टाइम पे.
हम लोग का टाइम.
Anyways, coming back to it, तब इतना कंपटीशन कोई सीरियसली लेता ही नहीं था. That time it was all about collaborations. Now that collaboration has changed into competition. So first thing is we need to bring back the collaboration. Now coming to I was saying we have to understand the why. Let me ask you a question. Example, you are the HR person, okay, and you are taking, for example, you're taking an interview and there are two candidates. Qualifications equal. ठीक है? Experience equal. Presentation wise equal. Now one is answering, he's sharing, he's smiling, he's sharing experiences and all, he seems comfortable and all. Another person, उसके आंसर्स बहुत बढ़िया हैं, like textbook perfect. अरे ये बट ऐसा लग रहा है ये तो होमवर्क करके आ रहा है, ये तो जैसे रटा रटाया आंसर्स दे रही है. ऐसे नहीं कि उसमें कुछ गलत है, बट आपको ऐसा फीलिंग आ रहा है. एंड फर्स्ट पर्सन से आप कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो, आप किसको सेलेक्ट करोगे?
The first one, the one who was impromptu, the one who was comfortable in his speech. No doubt, when we look at their grades, they were equal. But this person, if he's asked something out of the textbook, will he be able to answer?
Hmm. So that is the reason if you start now, you will be able to be the first person. Now, how do you do that? It's not easy. मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि अरे बहुत इजी है हो जाएगा. नो, आई अंडरस्टैंड इट्स नॉट एट ऑल इजी, बट स्टार्ट विथ स्मॉल स्टेप्स. कभी 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 हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बहुत बड़ा कदम उठा लेते हैं एंड दैट बिकम्स अ डीमोटिवेशन. So what those small steps can be? For example, when you are reading, read it aloud.
Mhm.
You'll be able to listen to yourself.
Mhm.
वो एक प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी बोलने की. When you are reading, read it with, हम लोग जब पढ़ते हैं तो वो उसमें पैराग्राफ वाइज लिखा होता है, उसमें पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स होते हैं, क्वेश्चन मार्क्स होते हैं, एक्सप्लेनेशन मार्क्स होते हैं, फुल स्टॉप होते हैं. नाउ दिस विल हेल्प यू विथ वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन. कौन सा सेंटेंस मुझे क्वेश्चन की तरह पूछना है, कहाँ पे मुझे पॉज लेना है, कहाँ पे मुझे लंबा पॉज लेना, बिकॉज वन पैराग्राफ टू अनदर पैराग्राफ इज अ ट्रांजिशन. कहाँ पे मुझे, all that is later on going to help you speak with good voice modulation, with clarity, with comfort. Second thing, आजकल schools में भी बहुत opportunities मिलने लगी है जो पहले नहीं था. Give you a name, नाम तो दो. सेलेक्ट होते हो नहीं होते हो, that is secondary, but no harm in trying. I have heard my students who have been on TEDx stage as hosts, 9, 10 years old, and they are there because they just practice. I always told them, pressure mat lo. Don't take any pressure. It's not going to take you anywhere. Take it as fun activity. स्कूल में हो गया, स्कूल के बाहर भी होते हैं कॉम्पिटिशन्स. एंड व्हेन यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन अ कॉम्पिटिशन, डोंट पार्टिसिपेट टू विन. कहते हैं अरे जीतना ही है. Participate to be better than before. Pratishtha was talking to you about me being a member of Toastmasters.
True.
वहां पे भी हर 6 महीने में कॉन्टेस्ट होते हैं. आई यूज टू पार्टिसिपेट. तो शुरुआत में आई यूज टू पार्टिसिपेट टू विन, मुझे जीतना है, मुझे ऐसा लगता था. मैं नहीं जीत पाती थी बिकॉज तब मैं क्या करती थी, रट्टा मार के जाओ. अरे वोकैबुलरी, इस बंदे ने कितनी अच्छी वोकैबुलरी यूज की है, मैं भी अपना वोकैबुलरी बढ़ाती हूँ. तो मैं डिक्शनरी लेकर बैठ जाती थी कि मैं वर्ड्स रट्टा मार लेती थी. अरे ये इतना अच्छा वर्ड है, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज इट इन माय स्पीच. लेकिन जब स्टेज पे जाती थी मैं भूल जाती थी, वो वर्ड यूज करना भूल जाती थी बिकॉज दैट वाज नॉट मी. बहुत लेटर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि माय स्ट्रेंथ इज स्टोरी टेलिंग, माय स्ट्रेंथ इज माय सिंप्लिसिटी. उनका स्ट्रेंथ उनकी लैंग्वेज है, विच इज गुड. दैट इज देयर स्ट्रेंथ एंड दे आर यूजिंग इट. यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड यूज इट. हमने बहुत बार सुना है कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई बच्चा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम वीक इन मैथ एंड आई एम गुड इन इंग्लिश, तो मुझे बोला जाएगा प्रैक्टिस मैथ, यू हैव टू स्कोर गुड इन मैथ. कोई नहीं मुझे बोलेगा कि प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश ऑल्सो, और इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस तुम्हारा मार्क्स और अच्छे आएंगे. सब लोग बोलेंगे अरे मैथ्स में और अच्छा लगा. बट वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन अस. हम वीकनेस को बढ़ाते हैं बट हम अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को भूल जाते हैं. So you have to identify your strength because your strengths are going to give you comfort and use it. Even outside of school भी opportunities है आजकल. Recently there was a competition for children, public speaking competition. It was online. You can participate at the comfort of your home. इस तरह की चीजें होती रहती है. You just have to be alert, participate, give your name, don't take stress, enjoy. Enjoy your stage or screen time. When you're going to any networking event मतलब जो parties हो गई, birthday parties होती है बच्चों की, and all, whatever, wherever you are going, enjoy the conversation. That's all I can say.
This gives me another question. People say add humor.
Hmm.
Is there a particular percentage of humor that a public speaker or a speaker should add into his speech to make it wonderful, to make it attractive, or to make it impactful? Is it a mandate? If no, what is the percentage? Can we decide on the percentage? What kind of a humor should you add?
Of course, it depends on the topic, but should you add humor? Yes. अब आप क्या करोगे कि किसी स्पीच में आप ह्यूमर ही नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हो, ह्यूमर मिल ही नहीं रहा है. So I'll tell you what something the world champion of public speaking, Darren Lacroix and Mark Brown told me that humor डालो, जबरदस्ती मत अरे कहीं मैंने जोक पढ़ा, कहीं ये पढ़ा, कहीं वो पढ़ा, अच्छी लाइन है ह्यूमर की, चलो मैं डाल देती हूँ. नो. अभी जैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं कुछ कुछ रिएक्शन को अब थोड़ा सा एग्जैजरेट कर लो, वो ह्यूमरस हो जाएगा और वो कनेक्ट भी होगा बिकॉज वो थोड़ा रियलिस्टिक लगता है. So
True.
whenever you are writing any talk or speech or even in training, find places inside that which you can change to humor.
Okay.
उसी में ढूंढ के यूज करना है आपको. जबरदस्ती डालोगे वो फ्लैट जाएगा.
True. True.
एंड ऐसा भी नहीं कोई परसेंटेज नहीं. एंड व्हाई ह्यूमर? It's just, when you laugh or when your audience laugh with you, you're making them comfortable. But हर एक चीज में ह्यूमर, हर एक चीज में ह्यूमर, उसका वैल्यू खत्म हो जाएगा.
Okay. Got it.
So you should know, and that only your experience. The more you perform, because हर एक का अपना अपना स्टाइल होता है. As I said, you have to find your style.
Okay. So
आप
there's
जिसमें
nothing
कंफर्टेबल हो.
true. So that means there's nothing right or wrong in this. It is only if you are comfortable, obviously the audience would feel comfortable.
Hmm.
If you yourself feel that I have copied it from somebody or this is something that is external, then obviously you might not feel good about it, and that would obviously be evident from your speech.
Yes.
Uh, Same like if you are used to wearing a loose shirt and someday if you wear a tight shirt, you yourself would not be comfortable, and then your movements would like tell the audience that something is happening which is not so good. So that analogy also matches up with the public speaking thing. If you try to pull and push the humor into your speech, it might not sound good. And then comes, how do you catch hold of the audience? See, these days there's this term called as a hook statement. The hook statement. So how important is this hook? Getting the hook, is it the only way to catch hold of the audience, Or like I told you, when I was listening to you, I was attentive. Not only me, but the entire people next sitting next to me, the entire hall was super attentive at what you're doing, because you took wonderful modulations. You had that humor ka tadka, plus you were relatable. So all the three things which are main ingredients of a speaker were present in a moderate amount. It was not kuch zyada hai, kuch kam hai, and you were in a flow. Obviously, you have the confidence, you have the experience, but what as a new person, what do I do? So people say record your speech, listen to it. People say stand in front of the mirror and speak. Yes, I have done that, double take. But I forget everything when I walk on the stage. Then what do I do? I go blank. I zone out.
Coming to books, now you told me that I was relatable, right? Why do you think I was relatable?
Because it was no those fancy words. One thing, because I had listened to a lot of people those days, so they used fancy words. No doubt they were comfortable, the words went with the flow, but not everybody was able to take what that word means.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Whereas when I listened to you, it had smart words, which was apt to the audience there. So it was not that you never added a vocab into it, or a different word which we do not use in routine, but the word was apt enough to the audience. So this you can do today after a lot of years of practice. As a newbie, what am I supposed to do? So the same thing, like people now, when you go to websites and you search for what are the tips for public speaking, they say use a hook statement. So what is that hook statement?
When what I mean by that is opening. Work on opening and memorize your opening. Mera maximum time. Now, if you notice that time also when you heard me, I tried to interact with the audience.
True.
I was asking them questions.
Hmm.
I tried activities. So
Yes.
आजकल ऐसा नहीं कि आप स्पीकर हो तो आप ही बोलोगे. वो ट्रेंड गया. Now the trend is that about engaging, it's all about activities. It's all about asking them questions. That is how you can stay connected. And hook, that hook is your personal experiences. Theory आपको गूगल पे मिल जाएगा. आपने जो एक्सपीरियंस किया है उसके रिलेटेड, उस थियोरी के रिलेटेड, वो उन्होंने नहीं सुना होगा. They would want to listen to that. Another thing is that हम लोग अगर theories ज्यादा करेंगे, we will forget. हम भूल सकते हैं, mistakes कर सकते हैं. But if we share our personal experiences, we will not forget that because we have experienced that. So I strongly believe your personal experiences are the hook. How you present that, how you give it a twist. There are structures. You have to follow few structures because उसका तो मैं बताने लगूंगी तो एक अलग सेशन हो जाएगा.
Correct.
ऐसा. But opening and closing is very important. Memorize it. It's okay if you memorize your opening closing. बीच का ठीक है. एंड हाउ एक वर्ड ऊपर नीचे करने से भी बहुत चेंजेस आ सकते हैं. आजकल तो बहुत हेल्प है. यू कैन टेक हेल्प ऑफ योर मेंटर्स, यू कैन टेक हेल्प ऑफ चैट जीपीटी एंड ऑल. हाँ,
I was coming up to that.
व्हाई
It has
नॉट.
it
बट
has made stuff easy, but personally, Pinky, here
हाँ,
I would like to quote that if I asked ChatGPT to write something, it would write beautifully, flawlessly, grammar check done, vocab done, the amount of words that I need done, done, done. But I still feel that the person should take help from ChatGPT, but write it on their own. and I still am a old
Mm.
school. I feel holding your pen, pencil, ink pen, ball pen, whatever you say, and then doing it on the paper
Mm.
is what you connect with. And
Ex-
then when you speak, then it comes as a natural thing. That is what I feel. Correct me if I wrong.
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल सही, यू हैव टू राइट इट। चैट जीपीटी आप वो बेटर कर सकता है, बट आप चैट जीपीटी से आप राइट अ स्पीच फॉर मी ऑन दिस टॉपिक और create a presentation for me on it, it's not going to help you. This industry, it's search which runs on word of mouth. I get my assignments based on word of mouth.
True.
चैट जीपीटी अगर गूगल से उनको सब कुछ मिल रहा है तो वो मुझे क्यों बुलाएंगे?
Correct.
They call me because of the experiences I share. Yes, ChatGPT can help me polish that to say it in a better way. So there's nothing wrong in using ChatGPT, but you should know how to use it. ChatGPT करके देगा, you yourself would not be able to connect it because it's not you.
True.
And you आप खुद उससे कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि आपकी ऑडियंस उससे कनेक्ट करेगी?
True. Very true. Very true.
वो बेस्ट होगा, पॉसिबल है वो बेस्ट हो, but it's not you. And if you notice, I'm repeatedly saying you just have to be yourself. You just have to find yourself. Once you do that, it becomes very easy.
Great. So Pinky, now one question. थोड़ा सा हम अपने बारे में भी बात करते हैं. So when people get to know that we had walked on that beautiful stage of TEDx, so how was your feeling, or how did you feel when you walked on that stage? क्या लगा आपको? क्या
Hmm.
उस दिन आपकी जो भावनाएं थी, वो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप बोलो, क्योंकि it's a very big thing. See, I have been on that stage, you have been on that stage. So, और लोगों का देखने का नजरिया भी बदलता है when you tell that yes, we have been on that stage. So,
Hmm.
how did you feel when you walked that stage?
सबसे पहले आपने जैसे ही अपने टेडेक्स का नाम बोला, यू मस्ट हैव सीन माय स्माइल ब्रॉडेंड, मतलब मेरी
True,
स्माइल और बड़ी हो गई। सो
true.
कमिंग टू दैट, आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ अ थिएटर ग्रुप। आई स्टिल
Mhm.
कंसिडर दैट यस आई एम पार्ट ऑफ इट, हालांकि आई डोंट गो देयर नाउ। Applause Vadodara, and so it प्ले खत्म हो गया था, एंड मी माय डायरेक्टर एंड अदर्स वर हैविंग टी, चाय की टपरी पे मस्त, बिकॉज प्ले के बाद चाय चाहिए होती है, यू
True,
नीड
true.
दैट टी, यू नीड दैट वड़ा पाव to get the energy back. So we were having vada pav and chai and must. So suddenly Apsara tells me, the director tells me, Pinky, you speak so well. You must try on TEDx. And I asked her, Apsara, what is TEDx?
Uh-huh.
मतलब मुझे ये तक नहीं पता था, बिकॉज़ मैं कैसे, बिकॉज़ एज़ आई सेड आई ऑलवेज़ शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंसेस, तो कहीं भी कॉलेज, यूनिवर्सिटी कहीं भी गई ना, आई शेयर्ड माय एक्सपीरियंसेस कि मैंने कम्युनिकेशन स्किल बढ़ाया, तो कैसे अपना कम्युनिकेशन स्किल एनहांस किया, क्या किया मैंने, इट्स ऑल प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंसेस, लेस ऑफ थियरी। तो इसलिए मुझे इतनी सारी चीज़ें पता नहीं थी। तो शी टोल्ड मी, "नो, नो, यू मस्ट अप्लाई। आई हैव सीन यू स्पीक एंड यू कैन डेफिनिटली गो देयर।" ओके, तो फिर मैंने देखा, समझा कि क्या है TEDx, मैंने अप्लाई किया, एंड माय फर्स्ट TEDx टॉक वाज एट केसी कॉलेज, मुंबई। जब सेलेक्ट हुई, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, तब भी मुझे पता नहीं था कि उतनी बड़ी बात है, एंड आई सेड ओके, सेलेक्टेड, ठीक है, अच्छा है। मैंने प्रिपरेशन शुरू की, 18 मिनट्स का टॉक था, ठीक है। तो मैंने, आई रिमेंबर राइटिंग माय दैट 18 मिनट्स टॉक, मिनिमम राइटिंग, रीराइटिंग इट मिनिमम 18 टाइम्स, प्रैक्टिसिंग आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, मतलब किया मैंने, मेहनत की। एंड आई वेंट देयर एंड आई गॉट टू नो, okay, there's an actress also, and हीरानंदानी सर, ईशा कोप्पिकर, and all that, okay, कहाँ आ गई मैं? वो तो ठीक है, बट आई रिमेंबर as soon as I entered the, मुझे गाड़ी लेने आई थी, ठीक है, तो was like okay, as soon as I entered the college, गेट खोला गया, जैसे कार का दरवाजा खोला गया, I stepped down and like click click click, click. ओ माय गॉड, ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, मेरे फोटोज लिए जा रहे हैं। आ ठीक है, तो मतलब मैं उतर ही रही हूँ अभी गाड़ी से, एंड फोटोज एंड ऑल। एंड देन फिर मुझे ऊपर रूम में लेके जाया गया, एंड देयर वर टू स्टूडेंट्स असाइन। मैम आपको कुछ चाहिए, मैम यू नीड एनीथिंग प्लीज टेल अस एंड ऑल। एंड उनको मैं शांत करूँ, नहीं नहीं आई एम कंफर्टेबल। लाइक दे वर सो टेंस कि अरे मैम आइए क्या करें, अरे क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा कुछ लग ही नहीं रहा था, बिकॉज इट वाज जस्ट मी पिंकी। आई एम लाइक देन आई सेड, आई एम लाइक y'all, मैं आप लोग के जैसे ही हूँ। एंड देन हुआ ये सब हुआ, एंड आई वाज लाइक स्टिल सिंकिंग इन एंड ऑल। फिर जब मैं नीचे गई तो मुझे पूछा वुड यू लाइक टू, मतलब या लव टू एवरीवन। मुझे सुनना है, मुझे खाली बैठना नहीं है, मुझे बोलना तो है ही, to listen to others also. What are they? तो फर्स्ट जब आई वाज सेकंड स्पीकर, पहला टॉक था हीरानंदानी सर का। तो मैं गई, मैंने सुना, एंड फिर मेरा चांस आया, मैं गई कॉन्फिडेंटली, बोला सब बहुत अच्छा हुआ एंड ऑल। एंड आफ्टर इट ऑल्सो पीपल कमिंग टू मी, स्टूडेंट्स कमिंग टू मी एंड शेयरिंग देयर एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑल, एंड that how encourage they feel now, that how they must identify and use their strengths, and they now realize the importance of it and all. Let me feel good कि हाँ चलो भाई अच्छा हुआ है, if they are able to connect, they coming to me, they able to connect and they feel that they should work on their strengths, that's my success. So वो experience नहीं भूली हूँ मैं, it still gives me goosebumps because मुझे लगा like क्यों मेरे फोटोज क्यों, क्या किया है मैं, like why such treatment. That was the first time I experienced such a treatment. तो वो पहला कहते हैं ना स्पेशल, so yeah,
True, true, true. Very good.
that's the feeling.
So that also kindles my brain with the question that what is a dream? Is a dream important to we as people? Is dream specified or specific to a certain cater? Like, okay, these people can dream, these cannot. Girls can dream, boys cannot. I mean, just giving you an example. So, is there something like that? And if yes, how did you dream? What did you dream to reach
सच बोलूं,
here?
I never had a dream.
Oh.
As I said, I was that shy kid जो कोई आता था तो मतलब खुद रूम में बंद हो खुद को रूम में बंद कर लेती थी। हाउ विल आई, मतलब मुझे जब जॉब मिला, आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड कि मुझे जॉब मिलेगा।
Mhm.
मुझे लगा था कि आई नेवर एवर गेट अ जॉब। दैट इज हाउ आई थॉट अबाउट माई सेल्फ। बट व्हेन आई गॉट अ जॉब इन दुबई, my job was simple, taking out photocopies and making bills.
Mhm.
I went for that. So मैं वो कर रही थी and also one day my manager came to me and he told me, Pinky, I want you in sales. I was like, what? Me in sales? मतलब मैं जो खुद से ढंग से बात नहीं कर सकती, how will I talk to clients?
Mhm.
He told me, Pinky, I trust you. The way you talk to your colleagues, the way you are polite, the way you are patient, सेल्स में यही तो चाहिए, पोलाइटनेस एंड बीइंग पेशेंट। एंड आई एम नॉट लिसनिंग, आई एम नॉट हियरिंग अ नो, आई एम नॉट लिसनिंग टू यू, आई वांट यू इन सेल्स। नाउ ही न्यू हाउ अनकंफर्टेबल आई वाज,
Mhm.
so he did something which, because of that, you see the version I am.
Wow.
So what he did was, शुरुआत में ही पुट मी इनटू सेल्स डीलिंग विद क्लाइंट्स जो फॉर नियर बाय जीसीसी कंट्रीज, जैसे कतार हो गया, बहरीन हो गया, मस्कट हो गया। जैसे कि अगर मिस्टेक भी हो तो छोटी मिस्टेक होगी, कोई बड़ी मिस्टेक नहीं होगी। पास
Mhm.
के कंट्रीज है, कुछ लॉस भी हुआ, कुछ भी हुआ, छोटा होगा। दैट गिव मी कंफर्ट। ओके, नाउ व्हेन ही सॉ आई एम कंफर्टेबल, आई एम डीलिंग नाइसली, पुट मी इनटू इंडिया, कि इंडियन सेक्टर्स अभी करो, बिकॉज इंडिया तो मैं जानती थी, फ्रॉम इंडिया, कैसे इंडिया का मुझे नहीं पता। Then he started, okay, Pinky, now Asia.
Oh.
Pinky, now Europe. And then to anywhere, everywhere. I have dealt with first and business class passengers. I've dealt with corporates. I have been fortunate enough, like I have even dealt with a senator,
Oh,
and that was also मतलब मैं उनको कॉल करते हुए डर रही, मतलब कैसे बात करूं मैं, मतलब मैंने उनसे भी बात की है, उनके लिए टिकटिंग की है एंड ऑल. सो व्हाई डिड ऑल दैट हैपन? बिकॉज इट वाज अ ग्रेजुअल प्रोग्रेस. मेरा जो बेस है ना वो स्ट्रांग हो गया. मैं कुछ भी कर सकती थी बिकॉज धीरे 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 करे. एज इट्स नॉट दैट आई डिडंट फेस चैलेंजेस. सेल्स में चैलेंजेस होती हैं, बट मेरा बेस उतना स्ट्रांग हो गया. आई वाज एबल टू हैंडल दैट चैलेंजेस एंड दैट हैपेंड बिकॉज आई ग्रू स्टेप by step. Same thing in my professional journey. When I started working as like working professional speaking about, I started with pro bonos. कि नहीं, I don't want money. Let me try because I was exploring, experimenting. शुरुआत में, so it started with pro bonos. Then of course I went to different platforms. Even trainings छोटे से मैंने स्टार्ट किया. Now I know my niche. तब तो मुझे अपना नीश भी नहीं पता था कि दैट इज माय नीश इज कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स एंड ऑल. दैट्स व्हाट आई ट्रेन, उस पे ट्रेन करती हूँ. तब मुझे कुछ चीजें समझ में नहीं आती थी, बट आई स्टार्टेड, छोटे से स्टार्ट किया, धीरे 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 करके, एंड नाउ आई एम एन एक्सपर्ट इन दैट. अभी भी मुझसे कोई पूछे पिंकी व्हाट इज योर ड्रीम, पिंकी डोंट यू ड्रीम यू बीन ऑन टेडx, डोंट यू ड्रीम ऑफ गोइंग टू टेड. आई सेड नो, मुझे जाना होगा ना मैं जाऊंगी. मेरे लिए अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है, आज ये है, कल मेरा सेशन है, मेरे लिए वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. मैं उसके लिए अपना अच्छे से तैयारी करूंगी. मेरा फोकस उधर है. कल है, परसों एक है, 26 को एक बड़ा इवेंट है. दैट्स हाउ आई वर्क. बीइंग इन द प्रेजेंट, लिविंग इन द प्रेजेंट एंड गिविंग माय बेस्ट, एंड एवरीथिंग फॉर मी हैज हैपेंड इन अ फ्लो.
and you went on accepting.
मुझे नहीं पता आगे क्या होने वाला है, बट
True,
आई एम
true.
एंजॉयिंग द जर्नी. I feel blessed. I'm
Mhm.
just going with the flow.
Great.
गोल है. Does
Mhm.
it? I'm not saying कि गोल मत रखो और ड्रीमिंग इज बैड. नो, गोल है, ड्रीम है कि मैं एटलीस्ट कल से थोड़ी और बेटर हूँ. कल जैसी थी वहां से कल मैं थोड़ी सी और बेटर हूँ. दैट इज समथिंग आई बिलीव इन.
Mhm.
आई ट्राई फ्रॉम माई साइड.
One step at a
माई
time.
फोकस, यस, दैट्स माई फोकस.
Mhm. True. Okay, then this gives me rise to a question that what do you do? Because we all have those gray days and black days and violet days. So, what do you do on those days? Like some days you feel low. See, we as females, we are, what do I say, blessed with? But we have a lot of hormonal imbalances also. So, plus, those are the times maybe we attract a lot of challenges. So, if this has happened with you, how do you handle that? When you get low, is it a book that you read or some music that you listen to, or do you travel to a place, go in nature? What exactly do you
फर्स्ट थिंग इज आइडेंटिफाई दैट हाँ भाई कुछ तो ट्रबल कर रहा है मुझे.
do? Hmm.
होते हैं, लो डेज होते हैं, इवन विथ मी. सो व्हेन लो डेज होते हैं, एक्सेप्ट इट कि हाँ ये गड़बड़ हुआ है. एंड देन आई एम टी लवर.
Ah.
तो पहले तो मस्त, अब मैं अच्छा चाय बनाती हूँ, प्लीज विजिट एनी
Wow.
टाइम, कभी भी आप
Wow.
आओ, साथ में चाय पियेंगे, बहुत अच्छी चाय बनाती हूँ. सो
Done,
या,
done. That's a promise.
तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि हाँ मूड खराब होता है, मूड खराब होता है कि मस्त चाय बनाती हूँ,
Mhm.
हैव अ कप ऑफ टी,
Mhm.
एंड देन थिंक कि ठीक है ये हो गया, एक्सेप्ट इट. प्रॉब्लम तब तक होता है अंटिल वी डोंट एक्सेप्ट कि ये हुआ है. एक्सेप्ट इट
Mhm.
एंड देखो आगे क्या कर सकते हो. कुछ चीज़ें हमारे हाथ में होती हैं, कुछ चीज़ें हमारे हाथ में नहीं होती हैं। इट्स अगेन वेरी डिफिकल्ट, कभी-कभी बहुत डिफ सो देन मैं चाय पीती हूँ, मैं सोचती हूँ आगे क्या कर सकती हूँ, बट आई डोंट सिट विथ इट, देन आई ट्राई टू डाइवर्ट माय माइंड।
हम्म,
यूजुअली मैं टीवी कम देखती हूँ, बट थोड़ा टीवी चला दिया, देखा क्या है, थोड़ा कॉमेडी का कुछ चला दिया, देन वो हुआ, फैमिली के साथ और ज़्यादा बातें, फ़ोन कॉल, फ्रेंड को कॉल कर लिया। फिर थोड़ी देर बाद तो कुछ क्लैरिटी आ ही जाती है कि समवन जिसको आप कुछ कोई ना कोई तो होगा जिसको आप बता सकते हो,
true.
होगा ही। आई स्पीक टू हिम और हर,
Mhm.
थोड़ा वेंट आउट कर लिया, बहुत अच्छा फ़ील हुआ। तो ऐसे करते-करते बहुत जल्दी ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ, सँभल जाएगा। कुछ चीज़ें नहीं चेंज होने वाली है। इट्स अप टू यू वेदर यू वांट टू सिट विथ इट और मूव ऑन।
Very
आई प्रेफर टू मूव ऑन।
true. Are you a movie person?
नॉट दैट मच, नॉट दैट। पहले बहुत देखती थी।
Mhm.
पहले बहुत देख जब मैं मूवी देखती थी, जो ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स होते हैं, वो देखती थी, मुझे अच्छा लगा बिकॉज़ आई एक्चुअली वांटेड टू बिकम वन एक्ट्रेस और अ मॉडल
Wow.
और विनर लाइक सुष्मिता सेन, आई लव हर।
Wow.
The
She
way
is
she
amazing.
speaks, the way she carries herself.
Yeah, amazing. That's really amazing. And the clarity of thoughts. Plus, that is a plus. Because it doesn't look like a fabricated speech or a
Mhm.
speech that somebody else has written and she's just delivering it. No, it comes right from her heart. And she doesn't feel afraid of putting across her thoughts
No.
lucidly. It takes a lot of guts to speak how she speaks, what she speaks rather, even her actions like adopting a girl child and then taking care of it.
Mm.
That was one big step. I think that was an eye opener to a lot of women all around us. So we have a lot to learn from Shushmita Sen. Even I adore her. She's a wonderful person. And then she doesn't uh, flaunt that color thing, which other actresses do. So people had, by the time Shushmita came on stage, people had a very strong feeling that if you want to walk on the stage, you need to have a fair color. You need to be fair. So she broke that stereotype also. So there was a lot of clarity when she came into existence. Or for that reason, even Kajol, if you see, she did break that stereotype. And now it's like it's quite normal now. People have accepted that we are all different shades, and it's okay to have a particular shade. So that is one thing. One more thing that comes to my mind here is what do these are the questions that I face. So many a times I don't know whether I answer them correctly or not. So I'm just trying to rectify it with you. So people say
Okay,
how.
there's nothing wrong. हर किसी का एक्सपीरियंस अलग-अलग होता है।
Mhm.
सो गलत कुछ भी नहीं है।
Okay,
इट्स योर एक्सपीरियंस। इट कैन नॉट बी रॉन्ग।
true. So people ask me कि आप vocab learn कैसे करते हैं? How is it that you remember words? I don't know. मुझे तो खैर I love words. I play with words. तो being a poet बहुत अच्छा लगता है इनके साथ रहना और
हाँ,
लोग बोलते भी हैं कि ना यू आर इनटू रॉन्ग प्रोफेशन, तुम्हें लॉयर होना चाहिए था, तुम दलील बहुत अच्छी देती हो। सो ये सारी चीजें हैव बीन इनटू मी फॉर क्वाइट लॉन्ग। तो मुझे नहीं पता मैंने वोकेबलरी सीखना कब चालू किया या मैंने कैसे सीखा। तो आज जब लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं तो मेरे पास जवाब नहीं होता है। आई टेल देम दैट यूज इट वंस और ट्वाइस, बट आई हैड a wonderful teacher in my school days. So she used to say, write a word here every day, because this is a portion we generally don't wash. So we wash our hands, but this is a portion that remains dry, or and when I talk or maybe my hand gestures, you would be able to see this portion. So
यस,
reminds you and me both that there's something written here. So that was one trick that I remember from my school days, and I do often. Like it's not always, but often I try to write whenever I listen to a new word. I try to write it here. So, what is your way of learning words, or what is your suggestion to the people who want to improve on their vocabulary?
वो तो words भूल जाती हूँ. As I said, I used to sit with dictionary, but I was not
Mm,
able to use them. But I'm a part of Toastmasters, as I already
mm.
told you. So they have something which they follow in every meeting. They share word of the day and phrase of the day every week. And they encourage the members to use it throughout the week. आप उसको जितना ज़्यादा यूज़ करोगे in sentences or when talking to others, that will be a part of your vocabulary. ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा. हम वैसे ही सीखे हैं बोल बोल के वो वर्ड कुछ हमारे फेवरेट वर्ड्स वैसे ही हो गए हैं बिकॉज़ हमने उनको बार-बार यूज़ किया है. So that's what I would share that yes, use it as much as possible in real life while interacting with others.
Oh,
That's going to
that was so amazing talking to you, Pinky. I thought, like talking to a speaker, I should be well prepared. I should have my questions in place. I have to talk to her for 60 minutes, and see the time just flew. I can see the ticker saying 55, and I am like, oh my God, it's all done. And now I'm feeling bad. But yes, there is always a second chance. And to summarize with whatever we did today, the key to public speaking is live your own self first, love your own self second, be confident, because what you know is you know, the other person doesn't know what you know. So that is the third thing that I take from your session. uh, Fourth thing is the audience in front of you are your friends and not your enemies, and you are obviously going to walk safe home, so there is no point of getting afraid of them. Nobody's sitting there with AK-47 trying to kill you, shoot you at sight. So forget about it and do the needful. Go speak, come back. We all are wonderful. We all are humans, so it's okay to make an error. Carry a chit with you. Use it or do not use it, but that will boost your confidence once you have it with you. And vocabulary is not that very important. If you have your flow, if you are speaking with your heart, it would obviously help you to connect with the audience. And then one question that I asked was, what is the hook statement, or should you use it? So hook statement can be a statement, can be a phrase, but then yes, you need to present it in a way, because that becomes your curtain raiser. So if you need, so you need to memorize it and go and present. But even if you are not very well versed with it, but then ensure that you connect with the audience, do some activities, ask them questions. That would also help you engage with them. And adding humor, yes, you can add, but let that humor be your own and not a copied one. I hope I covered all the points. Pinky, did I forget something?
amazing, amazing,
Thank you, Pinky.
wonderfully summarized.
I am very happy to have you as my guest on this live with you. I hope lot many people who listen to us would get inspired, would not think that uh, I am short, I am tall, I am dark, I have curly hair, I have coarse voice, and I am not presentable. So we have broken that stereotype here by talking about you, by talking with you, and we would continue this journey ahead. Taking into consideration the time element, yes, we will have to put a comma here or say a semi,
Mm.
but we would keep connected. We would be there for people who would like to approach us. People can come up to us via LinkedIn, via our Instagram IDs. They can connect with me, they can connect with you whenever they want, and we are ready to help. We are ready to build a beautiful world ahead. With this note, I would like to sign off, Pinky, and it was amazing to have you as my guest today. Thank you so very much.
Thank you for the invite and love the interaction. बहुत मजा आया.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. Pleasure is all mine. Thank you, Pinky. Bye bye.